Hello friends, welcome back with your Astro Guide Devers. We are half the way in the solar system. Today we are traveling to the largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. So let's travel to Jupiter. Oh, wait. Before we travel, I want you to wear a face mask. Because Jupiter is also called a gas giant. So, wear your face mask and let's go. Jupiter is the fifth planet in the solar system and mostly made of hydrogen and helium. It has a very thick atmosphere. Its mass is 2.5 times that of all the planets in the solar system combined. Its magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. There are many storms on Jupiter, and one of them is the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is going on for 500 years, and it's even larger than the Earth. Its diameter is 3 times that of Earth. Jupiter has 79 moons, and the four largest moons of Jupiter are called the Galilean satellites because they were first noticed by an Italian astronomer, Galileo Galilei. The name of the four moons are Io, Ganymede, Europa and Callisto. The collection of moons of Jupiter is only possible by Jupiter's massive size and strong gravitational pull. And my friends, there is one more benefit of Jupiter's gravitational pull. That is, it protects planets in the solar system by getting hit by an asteroid. Since 1973, many automated spacecrafts have visited Jupiter. The first one was Pioneer 10, followed by Voyager flyby in 1979. And Galileo Orbiter in 1995. In February 2007, the New Horizons probe had visited Jupiter. The most latest probe was Juno, which had visited Jupiter in July 2016. That's all for now. And this was the largest planet and also called the King of the Planets. Thanks for watching. This is your Astro Guide Devers. Bye bye.